In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Confluence. Adjusting your time zone is a small step that can make a big difference, especially if you work with teammates across different regions. It helps ensure that page updates, comments, and notifications show the correct local time for you, which avoids confusion and missed deadlines. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact clicks you need to make, and share a few tips along the way so you know you're in the right place. First, make sure you're logged into your Confluence or Atlassian account in your web browser. Once you're on any Confluence page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon. This might be your initials or a small avatar image. Click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. This menu is where you'll find options related to your personal account. From that drop-down, look for the option labeled Account Settings and click it. This will take you out of the regular Confluence space and into your Atlassian account management area. It might open in the same tab or a new one, depending on your browser, so give it a moment to load. You're now looking at the central place where you manage details that apply across Atlassian products, not just Confluence. On this account page, find and click on Account Preferences. This section is dedicated to how your account behaves and appears for you personally. If you don't see it right away, it's usually listed in the menu on the left-hand side, or in a visible tab near the top. Once you select Account Preferences, you'll see options related to language, region, and other personal settings. Within Account Preferences, look for the setting labeled Time Zone. This is the control that tells Atlassian which local time to use for your activity. Click on Time Zone, and you should see a drop-down list or selector with different regions and cities. Choose the time zone that matches your current location or the time zone you prefer to work in. If you're unsure, pick the major city in your region that shares your time zone. After selecting your time zone, make sure any save or update button is clicked if it appears. Once that's done, your new time zone will apply across your Atlassian products, including Confluence, and your timestamps should now reflect your correct local time.